Right, we are going to Blue Springs State Park up near Orange City, Florida. Kelly getting the inside ready. First 1,000 miles on the RV.
First 1,000. 1K. We're almost at our park. Well, we made it to Blue Springs State Park.
We are here. It's a beautiful day.
Yes. So we're looking for our spot, which is 51.
81. Should be this sunny one.
Nah. Yeah.
Beggars can't beat you.
Not too bad. Not too bad. I'll take it.
We are in spot 51 at Blue Springs State Park, just outside of Orange City, Florida. Nice site. Last minute pickup. It's got water. It's got the standard power pole with 20, 30, and 50 amp power. Nice wooded spot. Got an old picnic table. Got a fire pit. Got a pair of reading glasses for old farts like me. Anyway, we're gonna go for a walk later today. We like this park. It's probably been 3 years since we've been here. They're doing work on the boardwalk that goes along the spring run up to the spring head, so I don't think we're going to get to see walk that, but we'll certainly find something to look at. Not a bad spot. Partially shaded.
I remember going on this trail.
Yeah, I do too. You like the shade, don't you?
My lower back is like messed up.
Well, there's one over there too.
There's a few in there.
Those are pretty though, aren't they?
They are. I'm gonna try.
But they're doing board.
That could be nice.
Yeah, they're doing boardwalk and River's Edge
Look what they're using.
restoration. Yeah, they're using that plastic. It's a shame that the spring run's closed, but you got to do work when you got to do work, right, Cal?
Gotta do it during the good season.
Yeah, and the shoreline needs restoration, big time.
Oh, look how pretty that is.
Super pretty. Super duper pretty. You know what the things are that I like? I like you, and I like dogs. I don't like people.
Pretty much it comes that as you get older.
Oh, that breeze feels good, doesn't it?
Oh, that is pretty right here.
Yeah, doesn't that breeze feel good?
Oh, it does. Oh, look. Those are, oh, is that a fish?
Yeah,
That's
it's a
fish
big
right
old,
there.
big old fish right there. Man, he's big. I can't really tell what it is. It's too
He's a big one.
too much movement on the water. I can remember JJ hollering for me when I was upstairs. Come on, Pops.
He's down there doing this with
Let's
his
go.
Pops. Are you coming?
It's so funny, man. Isn't it?
I hope he still does that. I'm sure he does.
Yeah. There's a big old car right there. Surface. There's another gar over there. See
Oh,
him?
yeah, I see him right there.
God, they're big.
Yeah, he was a big one.
He is big.
Yeah, it was a nice, I don't know.
This is St. John's River out there. Just didn't get a picture of.
Oh,
That is. Man, that breeze feels good, doesn't
it
it?
does.
That's the lagoon to the left.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Back in there?
Yeah. It's a vulture. I'm gonna get him though. Come on there, buzzard. Yep. I'm messing with you. Just walk past.
Watch out for you.
Yeah, with the cypress knees.
Yeah.
All right, so St. John River, and that's the Blue Spring Run, and we're at the end of it. That's a tarpon right there. That's what that is right there, Kel. That big fish.
Where at? Oh,
Right.
it's a tarpon.
That's a tarpon right there.
Yeah. He's a good size.
Yeah. I don't think I've ever seen a little tarpon. Tree there.
Yeah, yeah.
Isn't it?
Look at that.
Got a palm tree going right through the middle.
This is a gorgeous tree.
Makes you look little. That's called the Thirstby House, but it's a nice old farmhouse, isn't it, Kel?
It is.
Yeah. Get over here where the breeze is. You got a live oak, and then you got two palm trees on both sides of that limb.
Look at that.
I like that. Now that Kelly's had her nap, she's ready to walk again. She's a napper.
I am.
No, that walk was a bust. We got a little exercise, but the scrub oak, the scrub jay trail is not a good trail. Not even worth walking.
It's a road.
Yeah, we're gonna do some campground chili with cornbread. Sounds good. Got the fire started, and for some reason Kelly got real quiet over there. Dang, that wood's catching. No, I don't need a spoon.
Nothing to whip it with.
I'm gonna fry them. Man, it's beautiful out here this morning, Cal. Two fried eggs right on top of a piece of cornbread. All right, we're gonna go down to the spring and see if we can't rent a tandem kayak. Back on the Springhead Trail. I wish we could kayak up to the Springhead. Look at that. It's like 68. It's clear.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Doing a little kayak trip. We're gonna go over here to the lagoon. And I got my paddle guy behind me.
I'm back here with my my special vest on.
Not used to having to wear vests, but we have to follow the rules today. Boo, I'm following rules. Damn it.
Gator's got his head up, doesn't he?
Yeah,
He's cruising right along. Isn't he?
he sure is.
Look at his
It's
tail.
a good thing we're not scared of him.
Look at his tail going.
Oh my goodness, he's cruising. Yeah, he's like, I don't care about you guys.
There's another one right here, babe. Right here.
He's
That's a good size
He's
gator
a
there.
bigger one. Oh my goodness.
Look at the one up down the shore.
Where at?
Way up there.
Oh
See
yeah.
'em?
I have a feeling we're going to see some gators today. Who was? Oh, we have some lily pads. A few blooms over there that probably will open up later.
Well, something was right there.
Yeah. Oh, two gators.
Oh,
12
yeah.
o'clock. We have gators out here.
Little ones.
Yeah. We haven't seen this many in a while.
No.
We are out here early because it's going to probably get warmer and a little windy
And
later.
this lagoon back here is full of alligators. I mean,
There's
I
so
can see
many.
one right there.
Yes, I see another one. We have one at 10 o'clock. We're happy. Hey, we're happy about that, are we? Yes. It's wild here.
It's real peaceful.
It is wide open.
Yeah. Oh, I see what you're doing.
Saw some osprey and we saw some hawks.
A lot of hawks.
Yeah.
Pretty, Eddie.
Yes.
The light shining through the trees. Isn't that pretty?
It is. Right through there.
It's up there, Mr. Heron. And he is a beauty, isn't he? Oh, but he's going fishing.
Cute, but that is so pretty. Look at that.
Yeah, that oak with
all
all
the
this.
Spanish moss.
Yeah, That Spanish moss is gonna be the death of that tree.
Yep.
Oh my, look at all the Spanish moss
I
along the
know.
coast here.
Well, we are going in for a landing.
You guys have fun?
Do not.
So this is what I like.
That's exactly what I like too. Look
I
at
mean,
this.
this is
Like
really
on the
pretty.
jungle.
That's a good vine there.
Yeah.
We go, which one's fine? That one?
Mm-hmm.
Going from river trails on the water to land trails. Check out this puppy, Cal.
Oh,
Two big ones. Two big old oak trees. And those things are big, aren't they?
they're huge.
They went vertical.
Love it.
I'm glad it's breezy.
Yeah, this is nice.
This is real nice. This is a pretty trail, isn't it?
Yes. Real pretty. So nice and shady and it's real bright and green.
All right, might get a little warm because we're out of the pine oak forest. Looks like we're getting into the scrub. Look for the scrub jay. Definitely getting into the scrub. This is where we'll see if there's tortoises around. This is where they'll be. And we could have asked for a better day. I mean, gee whiz.
I know, really.
Temperature wise, and you know, it's just clear as a bell. Yeah, this is like being on the water with this white sand reflecting the sun on us. Where's my shade? Looks like we're gonna get under some pine. It's funny, this stuff almost looks like, this scrub stuff almost looks like mangrove.
Yeah, it
It's
does.
weird. That might be a tortoise den back in there. In fact, I know it is.
Oh, yeah, there's the hole.
Yeah, you can see where he walks.
Yeah.
It's either that or it's a fox and I'm gonna get a bit. Yeah, that's definitely, that's a tortoise den. So where's he at?
Is he in there or is he
I didn't see him.
wandering around? Colors are just awesome.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Even with the brown.
Yeah. And that's really Rudy, isn't it?
Especially their hair. They always look like snakes.
Yeah.
When you're kind of back from them.
Man, that is pretty. Really, birds are like singing away.
They are.
Thanks. Another one of the palm trees that grows up through the middle of the oak tree. Huh. I say we go back.
Yep.
I say we go back to where we came.
Yeah.
We'll go see if they'll let us go in this old house. It's from like late 1800s, I think. Let's see. Built in 1872. Take a look.
Some baskets and bowls.
The dining room, I bet.
Here we go. Here's the kitchen. Where the women hung out all day
That's
long.
where you women hung out. Gonna put some coffee on the fire. And we are leaving the Thirstby House. And we are heading back to our house, right?
That's right.
Well, yeah, there's a lot of fish in there.
Mm-hmm.
It's just so pretty.
It is.
It's a shame that it's closed.
I know.
Oh yeah, I'm changing into a t-shirt for sure. At least we're on the way back to the RV because I am feeling it right now.
Me too.
I'm at home. spot 51 at Blue Spring State Park in Orange City, Florida. Not a bad site. Partial shade, get a little bit of sun, but not much. Got one water. Got the standard power pole with 20, 30, and 50 amp power. Then fairly nice lot. I mean, it's we enjoyed it here. So had a fire, and we are headed to Lake Griffith State Park over in Fruitland Park. So I guess I need to pull power. Leaving Blue Spring State Park.
Good day.
And we're going where?
Going to Lake Griffin.
Yeah, Lake Griffin over in
Been a while.
Fruitland Park.
Yep.
All right, here we go.